Hi, this is Todd Cooprider with Esoteric, and welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question, this one came right from our live FAQ series that we did a couple of weeks ago. We had a lot of questions on there that we didn't get a chance to answer, so shout out to the person who left us with this question. What is your recommendation on 3 to 4 year old PPF that has coating failure and contamination? Do you just polish it off? Well, if you got a paint protection film in there that you need to do some work on, chances are over time it's going to be just like paint. It's going to get some bumps and bruises and some stains and things on it. So depending on how bad it is, you've got a couple of options. Both of them are going to involve a machine polishing. If you've just got some staining and all on it, you might find that using a product like Geon's PPF Renew will polish all that out. It will make it look great again, and you've got your choice at that time to leave it as is or go into a new coating. But if you try that and you've just got some more defects, it's a little bit rougher shape, you can go in and use a lighter polish, something like a Perfect Finish from Sonax, if you have to get a little bit more aggressive with it. I don't recommend going in trying to do any heavy compounding because you're just going to destroy the film, but with a couple light to medium processes, you can polish it, you can get it back into good shape, then you can go immediately into reapplying more coating at that time. Now, to learn more about that, I'm going to link you to a couple of different videos. One of them is going to be on PPF Renew by Geon, kind of shows you a chemical cleaning that is done by machine. And then the other one is going to be our 5 tips to paint polishing, which pretty much applies if you're doing a one-step polish on paint protection film. So make sure and click on both of these videos here, because it'll be an opportunity for you to learn a lot more in-depth details on polishing and as it relates to paint protection film.